that's what I'm doing.
Get back! We got it! What are you doing? The beast is out of control! That's never happened before.
I think his pouncing sounds good as well. Since you're such a good pouncer, why don't you show them? Show them one. Let me see. Show them. All right. Well, I think you can understand that. He said no. All right. I think he's a little shy right now. Nightlight dragons learn from one another, and his siblings are here. Our front and dark hot. Sir, I have an idea. Is there a nightlight like Viking who would like to come forward and encourage Pouncer to bounce? Anyone would like to come forward? I need you. You're a big person. But you'll do. Someone to do.
Go. Try to get around.
Go. Someone. Okay. He wins. Okay, come over. Come over here. What's your name? What's that? Ludra? Ludra? No. Ludra?
It's R.
Lut. My friend! Give him a big round of applause. I'm sure whatever your name is very beautiful, but my tongue is not working right now. Okay. So, we're going to have to encourage Pouncer to bounce, okay? Can you help me out with that? Yes? Okay. All right. Here's what we do. Put your dragon claws up like this. Go ahead. Make a mean, ferocious dragon face. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Okay. On the count of 3, we're going to jump forward and go, okay? You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Very good. Very good. Okay. Pouncer, my friend, just pounce for you. Come on, let's do it. Let's see it. No! Okay. He wants everyone to do it. Okay, how about that? Everyone put your dragon claws up. Come on. It's for Pouncer. Make ferocious dragon faces. Okay. On the count of 3, all together, we shall pounce. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Pouncer, everyone has done it but you, my friend. Come on. Show them. Oh, I think he's going to do it. Oh. Good boy!